sweetie pie, and welcome back to my channels. Did I just flash you my ashy elbows? Hi guys, today we are doing something that I'm actually really kind of, I don't want to say excited, I gotta find some more synonyms. I gotta find some more words that are like excited, because I feel like I say that a lot, and I feel like a lot of YouTubers say that a lot, but it's just like when you get new products and you love makeup like we do, everything is exciting, especially when something works as well as this product did. Okay, so what I want to do today is I want to talk to you guys about the BH Cosmetics Festival palette. It was, without doubt, I knew it was going to be, it was amazing. And I want to give you guys swatches. I want to show you how I got this look today with it. And I also want to, one, tell you, go to my Instagram, because every time I'm reviewing something, I'm always on Instagram. I do a look of the day every single day. And yeah, so you can get a better feel for that. It's always in the description. Anyway, so today we're going to do this, and I want to also show you, I remember where I was going with that. I want to also show you some more looks that I did throughout this week, because some of them were just, amazing. Alright guys, so if you are interested in seeing all about this palette, which I'm sure you are since you clicked on this video, let's get into it. So the way I want to do this right now is I want to give you some prior shot information about this palette. I got this like cute little like Sephora book for, it was like a point perk, it was like a 250 point perk, and it came with like a little Sephora pen, but the only thing I thought was crap is they literally didn't even put Sephora on the book. They put it on the inside. So I was a little bummed about that. But anyway, I usually have like these kinds of books so I can write down information for you guys, because remembering all of this information can be a little bit intense. So what we have here is the BH Cosmetics Festival palette. It has 20 shades, 7 are matte, 12 are shimmer / metallic / glitter forms. They are 1.1 grams per shadow, and there are 20 grams in the palette. Okay, which is like a little bit smaller, but like as you can see, you're not going to hit pan on any of these shades unless you use this palette to death. And then honestly, you could always buy a new one, because honestly these are super cheap, especially if you live in the US. So it is made in the People's Republic of China. A lot of their products are. It has a 24-month shelf life. It is cruelty free. BHCosmetics.com is where you will purchase this. I'm not sure. I think you can get BH Cosmetics at Ulta now. So that is if you live in the US. I live in Canada, so all of my information is Canada based. When I purchased from BH Cosmetics, it was $18 US. I paid $7.39 shipping, which came to $25.39 US, and then it was $32.11 Canadian. I did buy a couple other things, so I had to like do the math, but yes, it's about $32 palette in Canadian dollars. Let's see here. I bought it on April 5th. Okay, and then I got a shipping notification on April 6th that it had been shipped really fast, and then it arrived April 17th. Now, the only downside that I was kind of bummed about is my order wasn't over $50. I think it was like 42 something, and I got a $15 border crossing, taxes duty when when it arrived. The only thing that kind of bothers me about that is that obviously I'm a working person, and it usually ends up my mother-in-law will get the package at the door, and usually I don't know exactly when they're going to deliver, and then I have to go get it from the post office and whatnot. It's not that big of a deal if you're like home and whatnot, but when you have to actually pick it up, it just becomes kind of a, oh my gosh, I just want to pick it up from my freaking mailbox. Anyway, I love BH Cosmetics, so I do it anyway. I have a ton of their products. I have done a BH Cosmetics video, which I will link up here. But yeah, that's all the information I have for you guys. And, there was I didn't see any carmine in this, so this might be vegan. I know they're cruelty free, but you do want to look into that. Don't quote me. I didn't see any carmine on the ingredients though, so I don't know why it wouldn't be cruelty free or vegan. Anyway, and also the first ingredient is talc. Obviously, if you're using eyeshadows, you're probably not sensitive to talc because there's not that many eyeshadows that don't have talc in them. And dimethicone is also in there if you have a sensitivity. I just wanted to let you guys know that. All right, let's go into the swatches, and I'm going to also throw in this look that I did today, and then we will do a little bit more talking about how, you know, what colors I like the best and all that kind of jazz. All right. see, like, oh my gosh, this palette, guys, this palette. I love this palette, and this was the first palette really that I had bought after like a long month or two without buying any palettes at all, just because I was getting tired of eyeshadows. I am really like just starting to get tired of all the neutral eyeshadows that are brought out, and even when they don't bring out neutral eyeshadows, it seems like it's all the same types of colors. Now, these are like colors that you can actually find, you know, other places, but the pigmentation, especially of these pinks, like these two pinks here, they rock the palette. They rock this palette, as well as this blue. And then when I saw this neon green, I was taken aback. Now, a couple colors that I was like kind of odded out, like why did you feel the need to put these ones in instead of other ones, are Carnival and Boho, and there was another one. Carnival, Boho, and Euphoria. Now, Euphoria, as you can see, it is like a yellow gold, but I have so many golds. I want to see greens. I want to see greens and I want to see blues. And honestly, there's only 3 blues and 1 green in this entire palette. When I think festival, I think like intense festival season type of deal. Now, I do love this purple here as well. This is Swag, so pigmented. But yeah, Carnival, it's a beautiful silver. I'm just not quite like that into it as much. I guess you could pair it with like the blue and whatnot. And this one, Spirit, is so pretty. It's like a purple duochrome. I wonder if you can see that. I'll swatch these on my hand. So this one is Carnival, right there. And then this one is the same, like I'm coming across this shadow a lot. I guess maybe I just first noticed it, but it's called Boho, and it's just that goldy, like that goldy pink or goldy peach. And I just feel like these two colors you can find anywhere. So I wish they had done some more greens. If you guys have any options for a matte and as well as shimmer green palette, I think I'm just gonna go out and buy some singles, because honestly, I don't have any greens. Green is not existent in the makeup world, apparently, if it's not like a really neon kind of green. I don't understand it. But as for this palette in a whole, I love this. I love this palette. I think that the looks I created this week were so much fun because these, like the shimmers and the mattes work so well. The mattes work so freaking well, like so well. I'm telling you, go out and purchase this palette if you've been looking at it. If you live in the States, it's even better of a deal because it'll be literally $18. If you're Canadian, obviously look at the shades in the palette, you know, look at the swatches, all that kind of stuff, and determine if you actually need this, because I could probably dupe out a lot of these colors. I just love that these colors are together. Now again, as I said, I wish there had been some more greens, but you're not going to really find that often anyways. So as for this, you know, this review in a whole, I think the Festival palette is a great buy if you're interested in it. If you know, love these colors, especially pinks and purples and oranges. There's like all of the mattes are a pink, a purple, or an orange, except for this one down here called Palooza, which is like kind of it's like a sky blue, matte blue. Very beautiful. They blend amazingly. I didn't have any issues. I have issues with eyeshadows a lot, especially colorful ones like these. These are some colorful eyeshadows. I didn't one single day have an issue blending or any, it was refreshing to have this be the first palette I bought as of late. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys got all the information you needed on this amazing palette, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever. Subscribe to my channel, and make sure you go clicking around here, because I'm sure there's some videos popping up that you would enjoy. Yes, subscribe to my channel. It's right here. Alright guys, I love you guys so much, and I have to run off to my dad's now because we are going to go shovel some chicken poo. Yeah. Beauty guru, farmhand, all day, every day. Alright guys, love you. Bye!